Hey guys, it's Mr. Coons here back with another video, and today we're going to be playing OG Animal Company with a special guest, Ropes VR. Woo! Woo! Let's go!
Woo!
Okay, let's gear up, get our items. Since there's a backpack right here, I'll just take this one. Hold on,
I'm gonna get a flashlight.
move these.
Should I get a big flashlight? Big flashlight or little flashlight?
I'm going to take a smaller one because I don't want you to blind my eyes.
So I'll take a big one.
No, take a small one.
Okay, fine.
I don't want you to blind my eyes.
Yeah.
Okay. Lots of ammo.
Let me reload. I reloaded.
Okay.
I forgot to get some ammo for myself. Hold up, let me reload. Alright, I reloaded again.
Shotgun. Okay.
Alright, bro. So basically, yeah, we're an OG Animal Company, guys. So yeah,
Yes.
this is gonna be epic. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, that's a very bright light. Oh, that's
I
a
just
bright
shot
light.
myself. Sorry, guys. Sorry for that.
Come on.
Okay.
Alright,
just
you
gonna
wanna
be
go to
going
Armstrong
adventure.
Cave? You wanna go to Armstrong Cave first?
Sure. Oh, you just
Got him.
got him.
This way.
Oh yeah. Do not enter. Okay. But
Enter.
yeah.
Come up here.
There's a boombox. The OG boombox. Oh, I cannot get up. Pretty cool. Alright, let's go. Awesome.
I see Angler. Uh-oh.
I'm new. Like, I did not play, like, when Animal Company. Like, I did not play in this update, so, like, I did not play with the stubby hands and, like, all of this.
I did.
Yeah, this guy's an OG. I'm not.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go in Armstrong Cave. Oh, there's Armstrong. Got him. And also, in like the current Animal Company, you say you hit like the Armstrong, just take him for example, he'll like take damage, like he'll actually be red.
Oh, down here.
But in this one, you can't see he's taking damage because this is also very early. Like, is this the first update of Animal Company?
No, this was like not the first update of Animal Company.
Oh.
This is like one a little bit. Oh, look at the OG bombs.
Run.
No, come look at them. They're cute. Look at the OG bombs. They're kind of blind.
Oh, run!
You still alive? Yeah.
Oh,
There's another one.
run! I need to reload.
We're good. There's another one.
Actually,
I don't think you can kill him.
run!
Run!
Okay.
I kind of fell. I fell.
Okay. Where do you want to go? Do you want to go down?
This way.
Wait, we can go over here.
Where can we go?
Right over here. Dead end. Okay.
Coca-Cola. Ooh, a ruby.
You know, I'm actually
There's
gonna take
nothing
that
else
and
in
see
here.
how much it sells for.
I see the way. Come on.
Where?
Over here. Over here.
Okay.
Over here.
Alright.
Over here. We're just getting deeper and deeper.
This is the end. Bananas are everywhere. I don't know why there is so many. I would not recommend touching that landmine, which I almost did.
Yeah, because there's no reviving in this update.
Yes.
Yeah, bro, you want to go back home?
Yes, we can go to a different spot. Oh, we're at the top of the stump.
Oh, yo. Come on. Where do you want to go next? Do you want to go over there? Well, there's no monsters over here. Let's just go back where we were.
Hold on. Yeah, we can go like a different route.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to go?
We can go this way. We haven't gone this
Yeah.
way. We can just keep on going.
Is Ogre here? Ogre man? Okay. There's the boombox.
Let's go over here.
I heard the boombox. That's Armstrong Cave. Wait, let's go over here. Wait, is there chicken here?
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
Yeah, because this looks like a normal animal company. I don't know if they changed it, but this is how you get here, too. Yeah, the chicken.
Yep. Yeah, there's like a little...
Oh, yeah.
There's like a little laundromat.
Yo! No! Get away! Steal her egg!
Get the egg! Get the egg!
Steal the egg! Steal the egg! And take a trophy.
Let's go!
Okay. You want to go back?
Yeah, let's go ahead and go back.
Alright. You want to go... Hold on. Let's go...
You want to go check out Armstrong Cave? You want to go check out Armstrong Cave?
because we were just there.
Yeah, but it's a second one. It's a different one.
Oh, yeah. Let's go again. Oh, yeah, because this is... Yeah. Watch out for the Armstrong. Oh, there's a bomb.
Go back. That scared me. There's Armstrong.
Yep. Did you get him?
Yeah, be careful for the landmine.
Okay.
Another bomb.
Kind of slow. Oh, go. Oh. He blew up the landmine.
Let's keep on going.
Okay.
Yo!
Yo.
I've never seen this room.
Me
There's
either.
lava down there. There's lava.
You want to go this way?
I guess.
Okay. Maybe this is like how you get to the...
No, they're rolling away. Look, they're rolling. Let's see if it rolls off. Ah!
Down it goes.
My Coca-Cola.
It's just like a room. Hold on. Is there more to it? Because... I don't know.
I'm sure there is. We just gotta go hunt for it.
Maybe up here?
I don't know. It might be up here.
I don't think, but you never know. It's getting dark.
Yo, bro. I don't think we should keep on going.
Yo, we're at the top. Wait,
There's a big red light.
wait, where?
There's a big red light. Look.
Look
Wait, I
down.
thought we just climbed up right here. Wait a minute. Can we go through this ceiling too?
Maybe. I don't think. No.
Look, there's
Alright.
a red wall right here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, whoa. Hold on. I'm gonna go. Look.
Should we go back down?
I'm gonna slide down.
Me too.
Hands up. Whee!
Make sure not to fall.
Almost fell.
I'm coming! Woo! Woo! Ah!
Whee!
Oh, I almost fell. No! Mr.
Wait, no,
Catch!
don't fall.
Ah!
Alright, get back up.
Watch this trick shot. Are you ready?
Oh no. Hi. I guess I'm gonna go with them. Whee! Yes, there is no ghost in this update. Respawn. Okay, hello. I'm back here.
Are you back at spawn?
Yeah. Looks like that's the video. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And also, go check out Rope's channel. He makes some very good content. I'm just going to call him Ropes, but his channel name is actually Ropes_VR. Make sure you put the underscore or his channel will not show up.
Yeah. And I guess for the outro, we're just gonna go.